You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we are going to do a smoothie video. I know I have a couple of food videos on my channel, so I wanted to get back to doing a lot of food for you guys because I've been watching what I've been eating and have been making a couple of new things that are great for me, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Especially those things, they are helping not only clear up my skin, helping my body feels a lot better, and also I'm working on losing a lot of body fat to get healthier. So I wanted to show you guys one thing I'm doing. This is a new little fun smoothie that I make. So guys, what I'm going to show you today is my orange smoothie that I make. Look how good this looks. I wanted to show you guys because of how delicious this is. I'm going to show you how I made this and just why I made this. So for the past few weeks, one of the things I need is a lot more nutrition because I am pushing myself to work out a lot more, and also I wanted to stop all the breakouts that I have been getting for the most part, and not only worry just about acne, but whenever I get those breakouts, they are for a reason. So I want to get my health back together. So a quick way to do that was to make a smoothie. This is 3 ingredients. It's not a lot of smoothie. It's something very quick you can make between the day. I make this in between the day while I'm working, so that way I'll have that little nutritional boost between my meals. So I'm going to show you guys first how I make this. It's super simple, super easy. I wanted to mention just a few benefits of these ingredients I'm using. The first one you guys see me cutting here is the carrots. I love adding carrots to my juices because it helps to improve your eye health, which I definitely need because I do wear glasses, and it also boosts your immunity, which is great, especially during changing season. And as I told you already, I'm working on getting my skin to be a lot healthier. Carrots does improve your skin health with the beta carotene that's in there, as well as it protects your liver. It's also rich in potassium, vitamin C, and folate. So it is a great source of nutrients among other benefits you can get from drinking carrot juice or eating the carrot itself. Next one is the bananas I'm adding in there. So bananas are great to add if you can eat them. I know sometimes they can be a little sweet. They do help with weight loss because I'm definitely working on losing body fat, and to promote skin health as well. Again, trying to get our skin to glow and look a lot better, and they help to improve your digestive system. It also helps elevate your mood as well as strengthen your bones and enhance your vision. Again, if you guys notice, there's a little theme to these ingredients. As I said, I wear glasses, so I try to look for fruits and veggies that do help with improving my eye health. It has helped over the past few years, so I continue to do so. And if you guys see, I'm actually packing these ingredients because I cut these up once a week and I make them so I'll have it to just grab and go every day. You can go ahead and freeze the bananas as well. So the last thing I'm adding on there is the orange juice, and you can juice, as I mentioned before, you can juice the oranges, or you can just get orange juice like I get. Just get a decent orange juice from the store and add everything together. Orange juice is really great for you as well because if you're looking to add some good nutrition to your diet, it's a great source of vitamin C again, and as well as contains folate. So it's pretty good, and it's high in potassium, and it helps your vision as well. Again, it helps to prevent kidney stones, which I didn't know before, but I do know now. So I've never had kidney stone, but it definitely say it would help you with that, as well as helps with inflammation. So if you get inflammation like I do, especially I get a lot of inflammatory acne, this is an easy, great little juice to drink in the morning or make a juice like this with it. And there it is, guys, my orange juice. I just add this to my jar and go ahead and drink that. It makes a completely full jar. You can make less or more, save it later on the day, or drink it all up, but it is up to you. You can also strain this. I don't, because I don't mind. And that's how I make this little orange juice, and I'm all set. If you guys seen one of my old videos, I'm going to show it to you where I make the carrot juice. I don't have time to make that anymore as much as I usually do. So I can't sit at home and make that juice every day. That juicer is a lot to clean. And because I'm so busy, I don't always have time to go and make a full jar of carrot juice. But this is another way of me eating a lot of carrots. So usually I put about a cup and a half or 2 cups of carrot in that smoothie. That's a good amount of carrot. That's about 2 to 4 carrots I'm drinking a day. And if you would like, you can make this a couple of times a day throughout the day when you're drinking it. But remember, this is a smoothie. It's not a meal, guys. This is something more like a snack to me in between, so I can fill myself with nutrients. Also something to drink to just help boost my body for the day. Now, I do want to point out, guys, if you're like me, especially if you have a lot of fat on your body, I would suggest, I showed you in the video, to just use orange juice, 1 banana, and about 2 cups of carrots. But if on days you're not feeling too well, you can go ahead and use half the amount of orange juice and use the other half, fill it with water. So let's say you're putting in 8 ounces of orange juice, cut that, put 4 ounces of orange juice, and then put 4 ounces of water. And after you do that, use the same amount of carrots, but use only half of a banana. That's a way to lessen the sugar that's on there and make it still work for you. It's still gonna taste good. It's still gonna be as creamy. It might not be as sweet, but that's a good thing. I like it. It still tastes really good, and I absolutely love it. So that's my little smoothie today, guys. It's just a quick little smoothie to not only help with your nutrition, but it's gonna help you keep a glowing skin. Believe you me, you'll get less breakout, you'll have less issue, and you'll feel a lot better. And if you do feel like it's too much, I make this whole jar to drink. If it's too much, cut that in half, make half the amount and drink that, or make that jar, drink it 2 different times. They may be early in the morning or something later in the afternoon to drink it. So drink it like that to see if it works better. But mix and match, use what you need to, guys. Add or take away ingredients, it's all up to you. You can just use orange juice and carrots, which I'm gonna try that actually. I haven't tried that. But just use orange juice and carrots and take away the banana completely if it's too much sugar. Try that, see if it works. So that's really it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is my little carrot smoothie. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you know when I have new videos that are coming out. Of course, guys, leave all of your comments down below and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to go over and watch my last video.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever come.